The Einhell TE-HV 186 LE cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is a versatile device that can be transformed from a handheld to a stick vacuum, making it perfect for various cleaning needs. Its lightweight design, weighing only 1 kilogram, ensures ease of use and effortless maneuverability during cleaning tasks. With multiple attachments included, this vacuum cleaner can efficiently handle different surfaces, from hard floors to upholstery and car interiors. The power exchange compatibility allows users to interchange batteries across different devices, providing continuous operation without downtime. The vacuum's dust collector has a generous 600 milliliter capacity and can be emptied with a simple button press, ensuring convenience during use. Despite being sold without a battery or charger, the TE-HV 1806 offers an ergonomic design and easy maintenance with a washable dust filter.